Hello, I'm back. My messy hair is back as well. I probably need to put oil in that, but that's okay. But I feel good. I feel tired. It's 8:30 and I feel like it's 10. And if someone would have told me I would be so tired at 8:30 to highlight my hair, I'm sorry. I just think it's messy, but it's nice. I like it. Yeah, firstly, I wanted to apologize because the last video I updated, I was so tired. I work 55 to 60 hour a week, my personal choice. But that being said, I'm extremely tired and I was so excited about the challenge. I wanted to eat peanut butter chicken. I wanted to share the recipe. I was just a mess with tiredness, with doing grocery, with coming back and doing everything and still wanting to upload a video I haven't uploaded in 2 weeks. But I needed to apologize because the quality was not good, the explanation was not good, the content was not good, and from now on, I'll try to put better content if I have to. Just gonna message on yeah, better content, and yeah, so I apologize. So to make it up to you, I thought of doing a topic that you might come across and you might like is where to find your clothes for winter, because apparently there's going to be an early snow mid-October, which is in 2 weeks time. I'm not sure, I don't do weather forecast, but apparently. So I got this. Let me see if I can find my boots. 1 second. Yeah, got my boots. I got my boots. I got a beanie. I got a scarf. I don't wear that scarf a lot on the camera because I wear it when I'm outside. It's green. It's really warm. I got a sweater which I love so much and it's so soft. I love it so much. I got all that at Aldine. Um, I got yeah. Aldine is in Georgian Mall. It's on. So you have the main floor, right? Let's get comfortable before the talk. So you got the main floor on Georgian Mall, and then when you go down where you have Virgin, you have the food court, you will see so you have Virgin, you have the food court, you have Virgin, you will see Odin. For guys, I'm so sorry. I completely forgot where to find guys' clothes. A guy did tell me a year or two ago. I forgot, but he did tell me it was not too far from Odin. But I know Odin is not expensive at all. That being said, the sweater is extremely warm, but it's not going to help you out with like you can't go out when it's snowing just with a sweater. You can put the sweater on for autumn and early winter, but not in the fucking 100 minus 30 degrees. You can't do that. You're gonna freeze. There are winter jacket that you can have at Walmart. I would advise Tanger Outlet. And buy it now because now it's autumn, it's not winter, so it's going to be way cheaper. I was lucky enough to have a boyfriend 2 years ago at that time who took me to Tanger Outlet. Tanger Outlet is in Ennisville. I got my boots, my winter boots. I'm not saying these are not going to work. It's going to work, but Audin is cheap, so it's not going to last you for long. The winter boots I got were 150. That's how much I paid for them, and it's 2 years I've been here. They're still good, and I didn't buy any other boots. I bought that one, and then yeah, I bought the one from Audin because and I wear them. I wear that boots from Audin during autumn. I'm wearing them at the moment because it's cold for me. It's 13 degrees. I put that. I put either the sweater or I put my boots, just a jean, and then this. And if you want to wear a scarf, you can. So I do that. Um, Yeah, so my coat, my winter jacket was $150 as well. But bear in mind, I bought them at a Tanger outlet, and I didn't buy them in winter. I bought them in late summer, early fall. I would say in fall actually. No, late summer, early fall. That's when I bought them. The first few weeks I came to Canada. Yeah, the first few weeks of September when I came to Canada. That's when I got them. And yeah, other options that you have is to go to a thrift store. And there's nothing wrong with going to a thrift store. During summer, I bought two pair of shorts, one tank top. There's nothing wrong. Sometimes I was dating a guy and we were cleaning up his room and he gave things to the thrift store. And these are things he never wore. He even gave me a sweater, and that was so nice because at that time I was living in a horrible basement. It was cold. Like he was feeling so bad for me living in that basement because I would put on that sweater. I would put on um uh, jumpers, and then I would have socks, and then I would cover myself because I didn't have a heater. I had that small thing that you plug in for in at the electricity that needs time for things to heat. Plus the environment was not very good, but it was extremely cool. But yeah, he never wore that sweater and he gave it to me, and he it kept me warm. And he gave most of his clothes to the thrift store. So sometimes they'll use things, yes. During summer I bought used shorts, pair of shorts, and it's totally fine and it works fine for me up until now, and I love them. um and sometimes you can have things that was not worn. So the first store that you can go are Talis on Bayfield, Value Village, and what was the other one? Goodwill, I think. Was it Goodwill? I'm not too sure, but my summer thing, I got that at Talis. And it doesn't, it's not like the thrift store that you think it's like clothes all over the place. No, they actually sort it out. You can go and change and try them out, and then they put them away. So I've never been to Value Village, but Talis is this is how it is. And when it comes to Value Village, I knew my ex-boyfriend gave his clothes to Value Village, so and I know lots of people who go there as well. If you are at Georgian College, Georgian has when I was on campus at that time, so you need to ask. I was like physically on campus. So now with COVID, I don't know how it works, but I'm pretty sure they still give clothes. The girl, I knew a girl who was there before me, and she got mittens, gloves. She got a winter jacket. She got a beanie at the Georgian College. When I went there, they were still giving them. I think they are still going to give it. I don't know how they're going to do it with COVID, but you need to check that out. I graduated. I'm not in college anymore, but I do know they help. When it comes to Value Village and Talis, you buy them at the thrift store at a very, 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 very cheap price, but you do buy them. When it comes to Georgian College, you don't buy anything. So this is where you can get your winter clothes for cheap, for good, for cheap at a good quality or okay quality to help you a little bit. I hope this was helpful. I am sorry for the previous one that I uploaded. Just a little heads up of what I ate today was the leftover tuna uh, with kidney beans and rice. There's still some left, so hopefully it's going to go 2 weeks or more than 2 weeks. I also meal prep some spaghetti and sausage. That's going to be, I guess, I hope it's going to stay for two more dinners. For lunch, I woke up quite early, but I stayed in bed for quite late. For lunch, I got something very vegan. I got um, a wrap with avocado and lettuce. No, I'm not vegetarian. I'm not vegan, but I'm not against having my vegetables. I really like my vegetables. So this is what I have. Also, another disclaimer. As you can see, I'm not someone who's fat, but I do really like to eat good food, and there's a huge misunderstanding that people think that I'm on a diet. I'm not on a diet. Uh, that being said, if ever I was on a diet, people who knew me, people who dated me or who lived with me, know that if ever I go on a diet, I am going to get sick because acid in my stomach. Some people call it acid reflux. I don't really know what they have. This video is already getting too long, so I don't want to get into too much detail on that. But that being said, I do eat a lot. I do eat good. I don't starve myself. I'm not on a diet. If you want to know how I am thin, I can definitely do a video on that, or things that I eat or how I cook, but I don't want to keep you too long. It's already 10-minute video. I will see you in my next one. And yeah, I apologize again for the previous video, and I hope you enjoy fall. If you like fall, just drop a little comment and tell me what's your favorite season is.